What is good, YouTube? So today I'm going to be going over AMC and GME stock and why I believe this week is going to be huge for both of the stocks. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because only about 30% of you guys watching my videos are actually subscribed. So on Friday, GameStop finally broke above $25. We did have this resistance at $25.02, where it reached a high before earnings dropped, and then it crashed all the way down to $19. On Friday, we broke past that. We had a high of $25.39. Overnight trading has already started for both GameStop and AMC, and GameStop is already trading past $26. So if we take a look at all these indicators, back on Friday, we only had these 10. Once we got this green candle, we saw some new green indicators. So now there's over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different green indicators. It's never looking this bullish in all of history. The buying pressure is there. The market cap closed at $11.11 billion on Friday. Right now, I'm not gonna lie, guys, we are going into some overbought territory. The RSI indicating that it's overbought at 69.89. And if we even bring up the Bollinger Bands, GameStop has officially closed above the Bollinger Bands. The last time that GameStop closed above the Bollinger Bands was on May 2nd when GameStop closed at $12.76. The following day that happened, GameStop was up 30% and closed at around $17. So I do believe tomorrow, in my opinion, none of this is financial advice, that we are going to see a good 30 to 40% gain. And that's, a big stretch. But if we do see a 30% gain, we could be expecting $32 to $33 for GameStop by tomorrow. And I'm not going to lie, guys, I am planning on taking my profit from my call options. My weekly calls expiring next Friday. I'm going to hold the ones expiring at the end of the month. I got 5 contracts expiring on November 29th because I do believe GameStop will continue to rise. So the reason I'm going to take my profit from my weekly calls is because I'm going to just throw it into AMC calls. That's just it. I've been telling you guys what I'm going to do, and I'm going to start taking action as of tomorrow if GameStop does rise. And I do believe we're in this territory right now where we can see some crazy candles for both GameStop and AMC. And as of right now, AMC is also up 6% on overnight trading for Webull. The Bollinger Bands has never been this tight on AMC. Ever. On Friday, it was the tightest it has ever been. Back on May 10th, the Friday before AMC ran up over 500%, the Bollinger Bands got really tight. Now, the Bollinger Bands has even gotten tighter than it was. So I do believe we can get a push past $10 once again, and I don't believe this time we're going to be coming back down so soon. That is just my opinion. Like I said, none of this is financial advice, but I do believe we are on the verge of another run, especially when you take a look at crypto right now. Bitcoin is at all-time highs. Over the past week, the whole market has gone to all-time highs, and we haven't seen too much moves from AMC and GameStop. I do believe this is the week for the meme stocks, guys. So yeah, as we speak right now, GameStop overnight is trading at $25.70. It did hit a high of $26.10. And I do believe pre-market we will be easily trading past $25. This is some crazy resistance that we've broken on GameStop. The resistance was right there at $25.02. Now we have broke clearly past that, and I do believe our next stop is going to be $30. It doesn't really matter if it is overbought. As long as the buying pressure continues, then the stock will continue to rise. This guy said GameStop has only had 4 920 EMAs crosses on the monthly. They were for 650%, 150%, and 2,500%. We're watching another cross right now. Given the historical performance, this chart remains highly relevant heading into 2025. Stay tuned. So, like I said, right now, I do believe we are on the eye emoji on the Roaring Kitty timeline. What follows after the eye emoji is obviously the fire emoji, and then the pop, and then the cheers. So if GameStop continues to rise tomorrow, we are going to be on the fire emoji. GameStop's going to be on fire from $22 possibly to $26 and above. It will definitely be on fire, followed by an explosion, which can possibly be the Roaring Kitty tweet. When GameStop just absolutely explodes, and there's no saying how high we could go. This guy said AMC is almost up 6% on Webull 24-hour trading. Y'all ready, apes? So right now it's chilling at $4.50. I mean, I really do believe AMC is gonna follow. So if it could stay below $4.50, I would gladly buy those December 6th $5 calls for AMC. Right now they're going for like $20 a contract. So if you could load into 100 contracts, which is what I'm planning on doing, 100 contracts or more, these contracts will be worth over $500 when AMC goes to $10. And it was just at $10 back in May. It was actually at $13. So I do believe we're going to get a gap up back to $10. And I mean, that is just a huge gain, guys. I believe like 2,500% right there. 2,500% gain. I'll freaking take it. I will take my chances because I like the chances of another squeeze happening for GameStop and AMC this month. But that is going to do it for this quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are loaded into GameStop calls, or if you are loaded into GameStop stock or AMC stock, let me know. Let me know if you're going to continue buying GameStop stock going into next week. I do believe the buying pressure is going to continue to build up all the way until Roaring Kitty posts. And Roaring Kitty will post when it's needed. You know, when the time is right. I believe he's just waiting for the perfect time to post to send GameStop to the freaking moon. But I will update you guys tomorrow in the morning on what happens with AMC and GME stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buying the dip, here we go, come on.